Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add single column border in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add the single column border. At first, select your datasheet. Then go to the home menu and find and select the borders drop down menu. Then we can see here mini border. Now I am go to the more border option. Now we can see here the style of line. Now I am select the single line. Then enable the horizontal line. We can see here show the horizontal line only. Then click OK. Now we can see we add the single column border easily. Now we go to the file menu and select the print option and check the preview. We can see the border is added perfectly. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.